Hello, children. Children, I hope all of you are fine at home. So, children, let's start our today's maths class. Children, in our previous video, we discussed about non-standard units of weight. And children, non-standard units of weight do not give the exact weight. So, that's why we need standard units of weight. We need standard units of weight. So, today we will discuss about the standard units of weight. Children, we often compare the weight of things. Like you may compare that your bag is heavier than your friend's bag. We often compare these weights. And children, did you ever feel that today your lunchbox is lighter or heavier than the other days? Yes, we feel that in some day our lunchbox is heavier, in some other day our lunchbox is lighter. But children, when we want to buy vegetables, we cannot tell the vendor that I want capsicum lighter than the cauliflower, or I want a pumpkin as heavy as the cabbage. We do not tell this to vendor. So what do we have to do? What we have to do? Children, when we are buying a pumpkin, we buy a heavy one. But when we buy a chili, we buy a chili that are small in quantities. Right? We buy like this. When we buy a pumpkin, we buy a heavy one. But when we buy chili, we buy in small quantities. So children, we also buy pulses, rice and wheat. And we don't buy pulses as much as wheat or rice. We buy pulses in small quantities, and we buy rice and wheat in large quantities. For example, when we buy rice, let's buy 10 kg of rice. But we only buy 3 or 4 kg of pulses. So these kg and gram are units of weight. These kg and gram are units of weight. Children, see, this is your simple balance. This is your simple balance, and we use this simple balance to compare the weights of two objects. We compare the weights of two objects using this simple balance. Children, we use gram and kilogram to weigh things, right? We use gram and kilogram to weigh things. And children, gram is used to weigh light objects or light things, and kilogram is used to weigh heavy objects. So gram and kilogram are the standard units of weight. Gram is used to weigh light things, and kilogram is used to weigh heavy things. Now, as we know that kilogram and gram are the standard units of weight, so we can write like this. We can write kilogram as kg as its short form. Kilogram as kg, and we can say that 2 kg, 3 kg, right? And we can write gram as gm. We write it in the short form, gram as gm. And we said like this, 500 gram, 400 gram, right? So children, see this example. For example, we wish to buy 2 kg of potatoes, right? We wish to buy 2 kg of potatoes. Then a metallic weight, this is your metallic weight. Then a metallic weight equal to 2 kg is kept on one side and potatoes on the other side. On this side, we put potatoes, and on this side, we put a metallic weight that is of 2 kg, because we want to buy 2 kg of potatoes. So potatoes on one side and metallic weight on another side, right? And the potatoes are removed or added until both the sides are equal. So in this way we weigh the objects. So children, we use a simple balance and different metallic weights to weigh the different objects. We keep the thing that we wish to buy on one side and the required metallic weight on the other side, and we balance them equally. So in this way we balance the things, or you can say we balance the different objects. Next children, see that 500 gram, this is the metallic weight of 500 gram. This is also the metallic weight of 500 gram. And 500 gram plus 500 gram is 1000 grams. This is 1000 gram. 500 gram plus 500 gram is 1000 gram. It means 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So children, there are different types of metallic weight, like you have kg, gram, or you can say 2 kg, 500 gram, 100 grams. And 500 gram plus 500 gram is 1000 gram. And so 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 2 times 500 grams make 1 kg. Or we can say that half kg is equal to 500 grams. Now see children, look here. Let's measure the weight of these tomatoes. These are your tomatoes. Let's measure its weight. Children, first we keep 1 kg of weight. This is your 1 kg weight. First we keep 1 kg of weight. These are some tomatoes and this is the weight of 1 kg. But when we put 1 kg of weight here, the pointer is towards the tomato. See, this pointer is towards the tomato. And even the pans are not balanced. The pans are not balanced. The pointer is towards the tomato and pans are not balanced. So we remove this 1 kg of weight and we put the weight of 2 kg here. And when we put the 2 kg weight, you can see that the pans are balanced. Both the pans are at equal position. Yes, see here, when we put 2 kg of weight, both the pans are balanced. And look at the pointer. The pointer is aligned at the center. When we put 2 kg of weight, the pointer is aligned at the center and both the pans are balanced. It means the weight of tomato is 2 kg, right? Because both the pans are balanced. So the weight of tomato is 2 kg. Children, now look at this pumpkin. Look here. We keep the pumpkin at one side of the pan and we keep the 1 kg weight on the other side of the pan. In this case, both the pans are balanced and metallic weight is assigned at the center. It means the pumpkin weighs 1 kg, right? It means the pumpkin weighs 1 kg because both the pans are balanced, right? See children, we measure the weight of an object or our own weight in grams or kilograms. And also we buy vegetables and grocery in grams or kilograms. Children, there is an electronic balance also. You can see this electronic balance in sweet shops. Mostly you can see this balance in sweet shops. We just keep the things on them. We just keep the things here and they show the weight on the small screen, right? So this is your electronic balance. See, for example, we want to measure the weight of this apple. So we keep the apple here and the weight of the apple is 80 gram. The weight of the sparrow is, see here, 90 gram. So in this way, we measure the weight of different object using simple balance or by using electronic balance. And the standard units of weight are kilograms and grams. With the help of these units, we can measure different weights. Children, I hope you understand this. Thank you. Bye-bye.